Warm shades of canary yellow color with yellow hue for your next project. To generate tints of a color, we add white to the color. And tints creates light and exquisite emotions. To generate shades of a color, we add black to the color, and it is used in patterns. 3D effects, layers and shades create depth and drama. Canary yellow is a warm color, and it emits cozier and active emotion. Warm colors are symbols of warmth, fire, heat, and sunshine. It also evokes joy, passion, love, and even anger emotions. You can see them used in restaurants and gyms,